Okay, we're doing TWBA online exclusives. Mga katanungan mula sa social media accounts ng ating mga kaibigan. From Mayward 2016. Ate Maymay, di pa po ba nagkaroon po kayo ng boyfriend noon? Ano po ba ang naging reason kung bakit kayo nag-break? And naka-move on po ba kayo kaagad?
Hindi ko po masasabi kung ano yung rason. Pero, yung move on po, mahirap siya sabihin. Kasi, hindi naman madali na makaka-move on talaga. Siguro po balang araw masasabi.
Pero naka-move on ka na?
Po?
Naka-move on na?
Papunta na po.
Papunta? Okay.
Kailangan pa po siya na acceptance at saka letting go po bago mag-move on.
That's right. Okay. Pero may impression ako na parang fresh ito nung pumasok ko ng bahay na kuya. So fresh na naghiwalay kayo?
Mga 2 months po din.
Before that. Okay. Give it time.
Opo.
Di ba? From Maggie Gomez via Facebook. Based na po ba kayo dito sa Pilipinas o babalik po kayo ng Germany tulad ni Marco po? This is for home. Edward, yes. Are you based here now? Are you based here now in the Philippines? Or are you still going back to Germany? Why, Marco is going back to... okay. So are you going to be here or are you going to go back?
Well, I'm trying not to think too far ahead at the moment because right now I'm trying to just enjoy everything that's happening to me. But at the moment, since I can't go back to school in Germany anymore.
That's right.
I have failed the year now. So what I'm going to try and do is give all this a shot. And when the time comes to cross that bridge, then I'll
and see what happens, right?
See what happens. See how I enjoy things.
Where are you based in Germany?
In a place called, near a place called Karlsruhe. Or,
what's the place again?
Karlsruhe.
Okay. Saan banda ito? I'm sorry.
West.
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 What's a famous place near that? Just for us to identify it.
Yeah,
it's
Heidelberg, and a place called Mannheim.
That's not very far.
No.
Oh, that's not very far. It's close to
Mannheim.
Mannheim. Right. It's close to that place. So it's like an hour and a half away from Frankfurt.
That's right. Yeah,
right.
Hour.
From Claire Agkawili via Facebook, kisses. Kung bibigyan ka ng chance mamili ng leading man, sino ang pipiliin mo at bakit?
Tito Boy. Tito Boy, yung pipiliin ko talaga is yung kung sino yung gusto talaga akong piliin.
Tama naman. That's right. Wait, halimbawa lamang, pinili ka, hindi, ng dalawa. Pinili ka ni Marco at ni Edward. Sino ang pipiliin mo?
Tito Boy, hindi naman po ganun kahaba yung hair ko.
No, you don't have to answer that. Yeah, it's difficult. I understand. Here's one from Twitter for Youngsters Bear. Yung, sino po ang crush nyo sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya?
Ito. Sa loob po ng bahay, siya po, si Christine po eh. Kasi, nagustuhan ko po yung, yung ugali niya po sa loob ng bahay, sobrang bait po, ganun po. Yun po yung totoo.
Okay. Sige nga, yung isang salita lang, no? Mabilisan lang, in one word. I-describe mo nga yung tatlo. Kisses, Edward, May. Isang salita.
Saan po
I-describe mo. No, i-describe mo sila bawat isa. Si Kisses.
Si Kisses po, sobrang maalagain po sa
Maalaga.
amin po.
Edward.
Sobrang bait niya po.
Mabait. May.
Same po, makulit siya ni May. Sobrang bait, pero makulit lang po yun.
Okay. Kisses, let's go to you. Describe the three in one word. Let's start with Yong.
Yung,
One word.
sobrang sipag. Two
Sipag.
words na yun.
Okay, that's okay. Let's go to Edward.
Kamukha ni Superman.
Superman.
My love.
Edward. Edward, your turn. Describe the three in one word. Each.
Brother. Brother for life.
Wow, brother.
Kind.
Kind.
Crazy.
No, but I like the way you say crazy. Diba? You say crazy with love. Okay. Gusto niyo ba yung pinagagagawa ko? Describe by the three, one word each. Okay, Yong.
Si Yong po ay, anong Tagalog po nung, ay masipag.
Masipag. Okay, kisses.
Si Kisses, the sweetest kisses of
Okay,
chocolate.
sweetest. All right.
Opo, sweetest po.
Edward.
Edward, buang po, buang.
Pareho sila. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat. I will see you again. Thank you.